Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwuno they talk about some greedy politicians who dey for Edo State. As Stanley they talk about these greedy politicians, now this man wey you see for here, waka enter the shop where Stanley dey. Stanley come begin ask the man question concerning Obaseki, Pastor Sage Ezeyamu and Adams Oshomole. Make I leave you now with this man, make you for hear the answer wey give Comrade Stanley Osaze. Enjoy the video.
Una good morning, na me, una brother, una friend, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwuno. Today is another brand new day, and as we all know, for our Ogbonge state, election is fast approaching. Everybody they move from one to the other to campaign and to ensure say government continue in Edo State, and there is no way there can be vacuum in government. But before I continue in details, I have to greet some of my people. John Obe, I greet you. Luciano Divine, I greet you. And Andrew Sazeme Asemuta, I greet you. Omon Daddy Omo, I salute you, I see you. You are a great man of inestimable value. I hear you all. Yes, all work back. So we all know say now every individual they move from one location to another. Marvin Best, I salute you. And to make sure say they canvass for support for their various political party. And for our own, for those of us with the PDP under the leadership of Governor Godwin Obaseki, our own now, our campaign now word-to-word campaign, and we don't finish Edo North. We are in Edo Central now. Today now Uromi. Now we want hit today for Edo Central. Now for all those who they follow this campaign, they come ever since. I best share this video. May invite your friend. For those who they follow this campaign, they come ever since. You agree to the fact say even when it be saying word to word, we they do. Our word to word self, they take over their money induced campaign local government. See what happened in Igwebe Ward 6 yesterday. We shock. Go and see what happened in Igwebe. In fact, as we speak, and I let me know say some people now people will be say we need to the respect. Some people now people we need to the respect. All of them just speak with one voice. Go from the Enogi, or as the people don't pronounce, I don't know, to the ordinary citizens in the street are speaking with one voice. If to say that they feel bad people, then everybody they feel bad. Oshomole get the money to buy those Enogi. By this kind of time, those Enogi they drive brand new Lexus 2019 or 2020. If to say they want to sell their people, but they told Oshomole they say leave. If you want to come and apologize to us, come and apologize to us after the election. Not when they run political or all in a bid to deceive us. If you are really sincere and you want to apologize with this your kneeling strategy, come after the elections. Not when the election will come, you will bring it down, come one country to deceive people. In fact, anytime they talk, they always make reference to these Enogis. I give them 3 goza, they be made with Sabi. Now, we will see what they go on right now. Say all these people, they don't they very, 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 very much desperate. Before we continue to describe by their desperation, we will analyze what Ezeyamu will talk for one interview we grant with Arise News. He said that we show enough to be in Godfather. That one appeal like. Okay, now making comment can't tell us say what is the interest of Adam Oshomole in his dreams government. It's not about saying yes, he's a member of our party, you have a right to contest. What is Oshomole's stake? Like me now, I've been able to make my stake very open. What is Oshomole's stake in this election? Ezeyamu should be able to tell us. No matter how Ezeyamu try to paint the story, one doing like say this is saying a man of your own. You cannot tell me you are not a man of your own. You are a product of Godfatherism, and as far as we are concerned, Edo is saying no to Godfatherism. Then they ask him, say, how come they come choose you now? The same man will run down your reputation for years. The next, although he make it clear, shows you Oshomole a beggar. He talk and say Oshomole came to beg me. He came to apologize, and I'm forgiving him. All the one wey talk against Oshomole, he never apologize. He said now they decide to come together, saying don't be Sasa chairman, Sasa this, Sasa that. All those ones, the question is upon all these chairmanship we do, how many single borough they tie to your name as a political leader who you claim to be? How many single borough as secretary to the state government, as the chief of staff? You have been in government since 1999. You were a chief of staff to Lucky Benedict government from 1999 to about something 2002 to then by 2003 you became the secretary to the state government, isn't it? All true. We are asking a simple question: how many borough they tied to your name? In case you are not aware, no free quote, but people from your own streets. People from your own street, people from your own street, they say they even call me, not be joke, your area. They say area, so the people in the street now they call me directly, say I beg, wanna make sure say this man no, I beg, from your own street, from your own street, they don't want me you win. Before me talk and publicly say I make bold to challenge anybody, I make bold to see challenge anybody, make we go do sample public opinion, and we need to start am for Ezeyamu frontage. Before me talk me know why. Even people, the road that is leading to your house will be say at least some other people, now you even majority of now you even hold that road pass without your normal street. Then plus one way they come like this, where they go your house, no one where you tie. No one where you tie. Say it's okay, secretary of the state government, but go see your land. You almost buy the whole community finish. You almost buy the whole community finish. Now so you take get another big land where you dey for. Now, how many things you don't carry now? Say, Moku, tie there and give people. Say, okay, this one are people oriented project. How many? No. It's because of your desperation. You can't carry your house, turn out to Edo legislative chamber in your private parlor. Una know the message where they send to Una now as Edo people. He is telling you that if he happens to become governor, we privatize Edo state government. Anything related to government activity, don't do it for inside room. He will privatize Edo state government. This is exactly what he's telling you. If you can gather some people, go sew green and white cloth, put table two, go find SUG maize for Unibe, go on zone, the only drive through way, computer, say, oh yeah, Mona can say on our own legislative, we dare you and your group, we dare you and your disgruntled, I cannot, those are not elected member anymore. We dare you and your disgruntled elements. Mokuna move the plan when the plan say you want to impeach Obaseki. Just try it. Mona, we dare una say Mona Badouan for example and legislative camp. Mona, the one why make people throw away now be say you everybody have the right to freedom of association. Now the constitution. If una like una the throw go do. For Ezeyamu Palo, no problem. But we dare you to come and execute any of your fetish and evil plan that you are planning in Ezeyamu's Palo. We dare you. We dare you. Please share this video. Share this video and invite your friend. We dare them. Make them come out. Say, hey, we don't want to know so talk. Says, this is what we want to execute. We dare you go and execute and see. Make a live waiting go happen. Miziga. Little no me. Iziga will be you out. Little no me. I thank God yesterday. They be try infiltrate some of my territories yesterday. Now to get the information. Say see what they do for where one of my stronghold. Now to quickly drag enter. And those people came up publicly. I mean the video where I posted yesterday, they all came up publicly. Say they remain firm with Governor Godwin Obaseki. They only make requests, and I know the governor will come and address that, which is the road leading from the junction to Iguomo village, Ijamo community down. That road needs to be tarred, and I know His Excellency will look into that as soon as possible. They want to infiltrate them, and the truth of the matter be said, those people they came out say, some of them say they not be lion and tiger, but when the time come, they get their PVC to vote. Why some of them say they are the hunters of the lions and tigers? They are the hunters of the lions and tigers. I just say, nobody, I repeat, nobody, no matter anything, any native doctor house you enter, they go mark you, tell you, say they shoot you, no enter. Do you see this your skin? God no create them as iron. Use your brain. So if anybody tell you say na him be the king of violence, that person is a liar. Nobody is the king of violence. Use your brain, let peace reign. Make we all do election and go. Say one person you talk saying now the tiger, you agree. A human being, one problem with human being we say we are quick to accept lion and tiger. But when you see them for local and say you this animal, come, hello, you this animal. Go say, why you dey call me animal? Why you dey call me animal? But they openly call, some of them call themselves lions and tiger. Lion and tiger is not peculiar to one side. Lion and tiger spreads across all tributaries of the state. Lions and tiger is not targeted to one person, nor a group of selected person. There are people who are more than lions and tiger, but they've refused to speak out because they don't have that guarantee. Now guarantee now some people get will make them misbehave, but that guarantee this season is over. They all are going to go to political retirement, except the one who really repent from a mind. He goes okay, even if you are talking about stomach infrastructure, keep it aside. Let's build Edo. Now, if you have a well-organized educational sector, we don't steal the bone the way our papa bonus. Our children say, if you get good educational sector, it will reduce the cost. If politicians give you a 1 million naira today, they refuse to fix your school, they refuse to give you light, water, asset, they need to give you light and water, everything, you know, but give you money. You will still use that same money to pay school fees, buy food for your children, then go buy water for people borehole. So if you collect that money at the detriment of this work, that is spending where I spend foolish, because that same money when you collect will be used to buy what government is supposed to give to you. Now that Obaseki is pushing development into Edo State as we speak. And the reason why I don't not get light, although light there's some part fine, but the reason when we say not get light, when we say light no day, when we say not get light, we are supposed to have 24 hours supply. We get all the power generated. Although they generate 1,000 megawatts of electricity. Azura, Osiomo, they get already 1,000 watts, and we need just 250 megawatts to light up the Edo. The question is, we are good in power generation, we are good in power transmission, but what is happening to power distribution? This woman Funke, where they in charge of BDC, they give us problem for Edo State, and they support all this way they fight this government. They give them money to make sure say this government, because this particular government no give her time to continue those estimated billing and all those unnecessary activities which she dey engage herself into. Now, the truth of the matter is very simple. We already know their desperation. It don't depend them. It don't depend them. But it is hot now. No lie you. The way they remove Asa money, many of them before turn Asama, and so they pull public funds. The funds not come again. 250 million naira to print common question paper for school. When they print only one for computer, use photocopy machine, photocopy am. Now they collect how many million? 250 million put before. Without talking to reach how many times. Ask them why they never come and refute them. Ask them why they never come and refute this info. So we not go green make Edo go back to Egypt. So you see all those desperate House of Assembly member, they are not representing you. A man who collected the sum of 40 million naira from Madam Oshomole to the camp, ask him, did they take the 40 million naira to fix one single bowl? No. In his constituency? No. He added that money to his money. As we speak, as of now today, they are now building more houses. All in a bid that elections is going on in Edo State. When they collect that money, they tell their people, say, what, bro, you are too much. Hey, too much, thank you. You see, this, please, yes, move. This is one of our most respected. I don't know him before. He just saw me now, and he said, "With all due respect, sir, I'm in the live video. You actually came to me now. What's the name, sir?"
My name is
Onaiwu Lucky. Please, you'll be audible a little bit, sir. Mr. Onaiwu Lucky, how are you seeing the Obaseki administration? Be factual. Do not support him because we are here. No. Be factual.
Without any prejudice, without any biased mind, this is the first governor we've seen in Edo State that is people-oriented. You understand? He's people-oriented. He does things that many people are not aware. There was a time I went to Abuja Port in Second Obo. I was surprised to see a very massive water storm project. When I saw it, I tend to ask, who is doing this? They said, it's the Edo State government. I said, what? And it has not been put in any social media nor any public media. Understand? I was amazed. I said, no wonder these people are calling him we can see, because he do things that a lot of people are not aware of. I'm sure that's the more reason why the opposition are taking advantage of him. If it were to be the past government, I know the whole world would have known.
The trumpeter is got
exactly, to know
they show
all
the work.
The projects he's doing. Yeah. And there are so many projects. In fact, Obaseki do not know how to campaign. The opposition are taking advantage of him. In fact, a person like him is the kind of person who needs in Edo State, because he will do more when he's given the opportunity to do so.
Okay. Sir, very sorry. I know it was on an impromptu basis. You were not pre-informed. Yes. So that I just want to grill you to some extent because the world is watching, and we don't want to be manipulative. And I will have to say this. Sorry. If peradventure what you are saying is just to embellish Obaseki and not because of his performance standard, you may have yourself to blame later. So be very factual and sincere. Now, sir, what about the Obaseki educational reform? What do you think?
In fact, that's another area he's doing fantastically well. Because talk about the teachers, the way he has reformed the teachers, you know, the ICT at IC Road and so many other innovative ideas he has put into educational system. We may not see what this man is doing today. It may look like a foundational thing, but with time, may God not let us lose him. If we lose him, I doubt if we will have somebody like him again in a lifetime. It's an opportunity. He said they normally say when until you lose what you have, you will not know the value. So this is an opportunity for us to at least know. I call this man a due respect and appreciation for what he has done and the foundation is laying. People are condemning MOU is doing. It's yielding results. It's yielding a result because I have seen at least look at the Osimo Power project and the refinery. You know, I saw on media, though I've not seen on normal media, you understand, that he's building too. And I saw it on NTA yesterday that when the GMD NNPC went to commission a refinery, modular refinery at Ologbo yesterday, I felt at least the state government will have hand in it. Or I said, could that be the refinery he is building? Because I have not heard it from any angle, you know, from the government themselves. Understand? So this man is doing marvelously well. I have to be punctual.
Okay, let's run this up. Sorry, sir, with all due respect. Now, some persons are ganging up. They promise to substitute Obaseki with Ize-Iyamu. What is the pedigree of this personality as far as you are concerned, based on your analysis? Owing to the fact that average Edo man is not afraid, we are ready to speak our mind at all time. Be sincere and be factual. Let your analysis be logical and use the harshest language, either against Obaseki or for Obaseki, or either against Ize-Iyamu or for Ize-Iyamu, as the case may be. Thank you.
The fact remains that they are incomparable. Incomparable in the sense that we have not seen what the other party or the other candidate has done, but we have seen what Obaseki has done. So you cannot promise a child. Let's make
sorry,
for instance.
Sorry. Before you make comparison,
yes.
You said you have not seen what the other have done,
yes.
But that particular man was the former Secretary to the State Government and the Chief of Staff.
Yes.
So I think there may be some precedent.
The truth is that we cannot judge on that basis. Being a Chief of Staff, he may not have so much influence on the government.
What of the Secretary of State Government?
That's what I'm saying. See, him, we've not tested him. Obaseki is a man we have tested for 4 years, and we have seen what he has done. So, at least what he has done is enough for us to say, let's give him another chance. Probably he will do more. If he doesn't do well, then the other parties can take advantage of him and then come up when next an election comes up, but not now in the sense that what he's doing, I think people are even clamoring that he should be given the second time to complete what he started. You understand? So please Edo people should be wise, because let me make the example I was trying to make. You promise a child that, oh, I'll buy you something. Let's say two uncles promise a child, I'll buy you something, and then the other is coming with something in his hand. Which do you think the child will believe? Is it not the uncle that he saw something that he wants to give to the child, or is it the one that is making his promises based on what they've not seen? So on that basis, let the people judge.
Thank you.
Take that decision.
Thank you very much, sir. I will still take 1 minute, please. What do you have to say in respect to the statement made by Adam Oshomole against Ize-Iyamu, criminal this, and the statement made by Ize-Iyamu against Adam Oshomole?
Well, that of Adam Oshomole, without
in 2016,
without any insult to him, I expected him to have gone to a corner and start thinking, because for bringing somebody whom you have castigated publicly to the whole world, you called him all kinds of names, and then you turn around to bring him, to support him, and then you are nailing all around, begging people to, or trying to convince people that what you said before, you didn't know that it will turn out to be so. What makes him think that the same people will believe what he is saying now? If he's saying what he said before was a lie, what's the criteria, what's the guarantee that what he's saying now, or the person he's bringing now, is not still deceiving us? The person he brought before, he is doing well. You should be proud of him, because he's his predecessor. You understand? The man that took over from him, he's doing well. Most of his videos that he made, he was praying and then praising Obaseki that he's doing well, even with the lame resources. Why would you come around again and start talking from two sides of your mouth? So he's too big for that. As a past governor and as a past NLC president, look, all these things he's doing, he should calm down. He should be an elder statesman, not even kneeling, because as he's even kneeling, it looks like he's even the candidate. Kneeling while the main candidate is sitting in public. No, it's so embarrassing. Please, I think that's all I can
say. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Edo people, you can see these are pure Benin men. I was doing my video when he came in, and The same way I interviewed that very girl the other day. It was never prearranged. And I've told you all before now that if you go to the street will attest to the fact that Obaseki remains the best man for the job. And if you see, despite the fact that I tried to use question to pressure him to go out of his normal diplomatic discussion, he was diplomatic, but he recommended that somebody should go to somewhere and begin to think. You cannot say one yesterday and begin to say one again today. So at least to some extent, we say a very big kudos, we say a very big thank you, and we send a great kudos to that man who just granted an interview with us. So this I can tell you is the popular opinion on ground. Moreover, even on social media, you see that those who are supporting Izeyamu have no face. They are all pseudos account, prosy account, one person operating 10 account, just to buttress the fact that they are on ground, whereas that's a lie. Myself as Akunokode, I don't have any fake account anywhere. If I can talk to you directly on ground, I can tell you anything I want to tell you on social media. I do not need a fake account to speak. That is the pure truth. Now, you see these people, how desperate they are. People are aware of it. So Shomole is supposed, you just look at the statement he made now. He said, instead of him to begin to go to somewhere to think, he's kneeling from one place to another. That is where the political Odigwetwe came out from. Odigwetwe. For what? Please forgive me when I said it. That is desperation. You need that resources in the state at all costs. And people will not allow it. Do not just bother to waste your time. Well, this is the much we can take this morning. We're going to be giving us updates about the elections, the campaign in Edo Central, and today we are hitting Uromi. So I'm taking my leave now. We just came in to address one or two. We've been in Uromi, we've been in Edo Central for days, and today is day 4. And we're going to continue. We're going to ensure that the interest of the people is protected. And we're going to make sure that we never allow these elements to take over Sadibi Avenue. Evil strive when good people decide to remain quiet and allow evil people to take charge of the democratic infrastructure in any state. So it is on this basis and it's on this note that we're going to assure Edo people worldwide that we will vehemently resist these people. And this is a very clear information. I was getting this information through Bush Telegraph or through Grapevine that from on the 29th of August this month, international flights can commence into Nigeria, and Nigeria will open airspace. So for our members worldwide, the Edo Diaspora Connect worldwide, and other Edo members who wants to return to town, please, you can start booking. Now some person may be thinking, I don't have the PVC now, how will I do it? Let me just tell you the simple truth. You have to come. When you are on ground, you can better mobilize members of your family. If each of us, because I know that majority of you want to come, I will not want to mention name, majority of you want to come. So when you come in, even if you don't have the PVC, for those who have the PVC, because I know 60% of you guys have PVC, I can set example like the likes of Eugene's and others. You guys have PVC. For those who don't have PVC, you have to stick on. Come and mobilize your family. Let them go to the QBQ and vote for Obaseki. If you mobilize your family, I mobilize my family, the other one mobilize their family. Because this is going to be, and at this election, nobody will say, I am in Ward 9, I want to go and deliver Ward 6. All what you can do is to put strategy on ground now before the elections. You cannot move from your location to another. So let nobody deceive you that they will have the opportunity to move from Ward 1 to Ward 10. That they are the lions and tigers. You can't. Have that in the back of your mind. Nobody can move. In fact, for you to be able to vote, you have to leave your house as early before the no movement sign comes in. Then, let me not say much, but I go know whether na government, Edo State government, under the leadership of Obaseki, una dey follow contest election or not. Let's wait in that time. Let's wait till that time. So please, our brothers and sisters worldwide, begin to get yourself prepared to return for the elections. And again, let me quickly tell you, nobody, I repeat, nobody go fit shoot one bullet wey you no be security agency for this election. Just remove that fear. In fact, this election will be the most peaceful election, and Israel will be defeated alongside the Oshomole. Better huge political blow. Now they assure themselves of rigging. Thank God, video leak. Say arrest them. How many people you want to arrest? How many will go fit talk for the good way Obaseki do for Edo? On my own say no 1,000. No matter the plan where this man plan say we say arrest them. They no me kak. Mo no go dey yarn. Kak. Obaseki will return to power by the power of our ubiquitous God. We remain firm. It is non-negotiable. This is not a statement from me nor from Obaseki. This is a unanimous agreement, a collective resolve. Oshomole dey plan for rigging. The rigging not work. The rigging not go work. Hello. I bet boss you coming back at the live video. Now, no matter it will not work. It will not work. You need the people on ground to be able to rig election, and the people on ground want their governor to remain. How will you rig it? Somebody tell you say one person will figure call result in your color. The color of say anasit. Ula diawa. Let me everything will go chop. Strategy to be adopted. Leave on. But only one message now. One thing. Anybody we want to. We want state police unit as our agents. Some of us need to see them. We need to see them because we know say they promise to distribute dollars. And they know say if they bring 30,000 naira for you or 100,000 naira, you feel reject them. But if they bring the money in dollars, you know if you convert it to Nigerian money, you have your fair big put. So we need to know those persons we want to make as agents. They know if you use money. These people must get the first belief. Say they are members of our party. Secondly, they must be ready to be committed. You know, you have to say Mr. Jumbo from Ward 3 of Via North East brings 6 agents. Mr. Nala, those agents must be screened properly, and those agents must be agents with long track record, good track record. Or say even when the user reach, it not change. It must stay from the beginning. We must judge our agent on the basis of antecedent. On the basis of antecedent, not on the basis of the fact that one person or 2 persons or 3 persons will bring down. No, it must be based on antecedent, so that at the end of the day we'll get the best personality to represent us. Because you know, if they know say they don't get population, they want to change results from 5 to 10. They need the agents to agree. When electorate don't vote, you go remain agent and then say, I bet you manipulate this thing and see. They say you will be a PDP agent. This one is 1 million naira take, or this one is family letter and take. You say, give me. Then again, this one might tell you the truth. This one, if not me, I am not saying for Obaseki. If not me, I know lie you. I cannot sit and watch person they plan to remove me, and the money they spend. Me, I go follow and spend that money. Not lie you. This one is for me. So the truth is this will not be waiting with better recommendation. Our agent should be very, very okay. The person wey we suppose even make agent na where to do person wey be say you get track record and hunger no dey beat am. Hungry no dey beat am, because when hungry dey beat wey be say na because of 10,000 na make am wan do agent. If they add another 50 journal, it don start to dey shake. So before somebody become our agent, that person he will not say hungry no dey beat am, and it clears, he go the person go show say he's very, very committed. And these people dey every unit and ward, and again a passionate appeal. E get some people wey no be member of political party, they no be PDP, they no be APC, they no be ABGA, but dem as in dem even love Obaseki more than we will say we be a party member. We dey follow am from one location to another. Those persons, we know them, they are across wards in Edo State. They should be given opportunity. They should be given opportunity to even serve as an agent. Apart from the normal polling agent, we need a monitoring team. Although no problem, we'll discuss that off camera, but the message is clear. We need a well-organized agent system. We know where they follow the call. We don't block every other loophole, but this agent said we will work very well in the area. And why is there now people person they ring election for it? Do they work? Now not be lie. He ring Yakubu election for Uromi with Osomole. He do election for Uromi. Is there they ring election for Gomea? Then they announce result. We know a history. So all the plan with the ring election, we know we need to block calm, make it not succeed. If in the sense that they come out boldly, they say don't worry, I will win. Now that place he put man, he knows say he not get the people for street. Then again overhead say uncollected PVC, they CBN. Nobody get, they don't come out from ANEC to CBN for security purpose. I expect us to confirm if it is actually CBN. ANEC no video tell us the material has been taken to CBN for safekeeping. We need to go and confirm. We need to confirm. Say yes, nobody can lay hands on that PVC. Nobody can lay hands on that PVC. Osomole threatened violence. Osomole threatened to do all sorts of things. He ran to Abuja. He was summoned. They warned him for the same Abuja. Now, when they summon him, they warn him. They threaten the whole town with insecurity. Everything that your name will be here. Thank God today, the president have ordered a special force. Whether you be PDP, you be APC, if they see with fire am now, you sabi o. Whether you be APC, you be PDP, this special force no know. The directive now, shoot aside anybody possessing illegal firearm. So as you see that your tools where you get, if you love yourself and member of a family, most especially those of you who don't get kids, it's either you go find out go to one for river or you go to Hada. If anybody tell you say you can parade those machines, those tools for street, na lie. Then our security architecture must be rechecked. Not the normal state security, the political security architecture, all those will be discussed, but we know areas that we need to cover. And to all our members and those people around the world, for those who are coming, get yourself prepared. We have more tasks on ground. We will not leave everything for Governor Obaseki or Philip Shaibu, or nor the Secretary of State Government, nor the Chief of Staff, Etan Uzamiri, or the commissioners, as the case may be. own must play a various role. And as a support group to this government, led by Governor Godwin Obaseki, on our own, we are going to hold a meeting to see how we can be able to come in one or two strategy to check the whims and cap price of these people. We know them. They know say we know them. We know their strategy way to the ring. We know that they know. We know how they take validate Osumbo vote. In 2007 election, Osumbo vote over 30,000 votes. They invalidate her. For a say neck. Now see these people do it. These same people now do it. We know them. So if they think say they will fit succeed this rigging, na lie. Those people will get the strategy, we know what they will do. All we are calling for now is for the government to provide more security. To some of us, we have reasons. We know where and where to follow to get this people. Thank God for the security provided now, but we need more of the security. We have our reasons. So more details will come out subsequently after a series of meetings with members of our team on ground. So we promise to give you updates in respect to what is taking place in Edo Central today, Uromi specifically, and I believe His Excellency is already there. Because of the activity that we have on ground, we have to return, and we are going back there immediately. Thank you very much once again. Remember, humble self, your number right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze Usakunokudi, and a big bye for now. Thank you. Please, if you have not shared this video, share. It's not heavy, it's not difficult. Just click on your share, because through the share, majority of persons will get details. 162 persons watching. If 150 persons shares, it will go a long way for us to achieve our aim. Please click on your share button. And for those who are requesting for my recent WhatsApp number, because the former one has been hacked by this same element. Now you can get it 07036109939, 07036109939. I repeat, 07036109939. I repeat, 07036109939. It's me, your brother, your friend, Osakunokudi. Ensure you travel down for those who are in diaspora. Ensure you tell members of your family to vote for Obaseki. Ensure that you put all modalities in place. But I can assure you that victory is going to be ours. Bye for now. Osakunokudi in the building. Where I will see 4 + 4 Togba equals to 8. Thank you.
Now we don't hear from Stanley, and the man we waka enter shop we Comrade Stanley Osaze dey, we answer some question we Stanley ask him. Let us know what you think for comment section. Just go there, make you put your own there. What you think? And before you go, I beg make you help us share this video. Share them to friends and family. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.